Hi everyone! Welcome to Anything with Chi. I know we're all in quarantine right now and you might be thinking, what can I do? I'm just gonna share with you my plantation plantation in my house. Actually, in my balcony. So it's not huge, pero most of the things I have there, I got it from the kitchen and then I started planting it. And it's a good way for you to have sunlight, and I lack vitamin D, so whenever I water them in the morning, that's when I get the sunlight as well. So yeah, I'm gonna tour you in my balcony. Madumi yung floor, but this is my garlic. So if you want to know how I planted this is like, I think a month old or more, or maybe 2 months. This is my onion. So eto, nakuha ko lang to sa kitchen ko and I was able to plant it here. And this is my tomato. This one I got from my pencil, plantable pencil. This is my calamansi. I bought it na malaki na siya. So, but I have a lot of calamansi in the house, and yung seed niya I planted it. Ito na siya. I'll give some to my friends. It's 3 calamansi. And then I planted my sili as well. So if you wanna make sili, so you have to first dry it and then you can plant the seed afterwards. There you go. I have 3 batches. Actually, one siya, pinagkawalay ko lang. And then I have the mint. This one also came from my plantable seeds, plantable pencils. This is my basil. Also came from my plantable pencil. Medyo mahirap siya i-maintain, honestly. Hindi siya mahilig sa water. And it always becomes yellowish. This one is my lavender. It smells really good. I love it. And this is my rosemary. I use it for cooking. This is my forget-me-not. It has flowers. Yeah, it dries if it's really cold. So there. What else? And so thank you for watching that. If you want to know how I was able to plant those items, you can comment that below. I can do that again. Of course, you need to have some tools. You need to have pots and soil at the very least, if you can get one, or if you have that in your backyard, that would be better. But because I live in the condominium, I don't really have that, so I have to buy it. But it's very close here and we have that nearby, so it's easy for me. So that's it. Thank you for watching Anything with Chi TV. If you like the video, please subscribe. I know it's kind of different from what I usually discuss, but